Quality subwoofer cables ensure signal transfer, reduce interference, maximize bass clarity, and unlock power and performance in car audio systems. My today's video is about top 5 best subwoofer cable that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at SoundFam subwoofer cable. This 90-degree subwoofer cable is built for listeners who care about both sound precision and practical installation. The gold-plated RCA connectors and polished alloy housing deliver impressively clean, noise-free audio, preserving low-frequency detail that cheaper cables often muddy. Its dual shielding with copper braid and aluminum foil effectively blocks RFI and EMI, resulting in tighter, more powerful bass with virtually no signal loss. The right-angle connector is a standout feature, making it ideal for wall-mounted setups or cramped AV racks where straight plugs strain or bend. It not only saves space, but also extends the cable's lifespan by preventing sharp stress points. Durability is equally impressive. The nylon-braided exterior, flexible PVC jacket, and oxygen-free copper core withstand heavy use, rated for over 10,000 bends without kinking. Universal RCA compatibility ensures it works seamlessly with TVs, receivers, subwoofers, and game consoles, making it a reliable, high-performance upgrade for any home audio system. Now our second product is YYTCG subwoofer cable. The YYTCG RCA cable feels less like a simple connector and more like a serious audio upgrade. Its 4-in oxygen-free copper core delivers a beautifully balanced sound signature, where bass hits with authority, mids stay warm and natural, and highs remain clean without harshness. Music and movies gain a wider, more layered soundstage that reveals subtle details often lost with basic cables. The multi-shielding design does impressive work in keeping noise out. Even in interference-prone car audio or crowded home setups, the signal stays stable and distortion-free. The thicker 24K gold-plated connectors add a reassuringly snug, corrosion-resistant fit that holds up to frequent swapping without performance drop. A rugged nylon braided jacket makes the cable both durable and tangle-free, ideal for tight or mobile installations. Overall, it's a robust, high-fidelity link that helps any audio system perform at its true potential. Our third product is Femero subwoofer cable. The Femero 10-foot LFE subwoofer cable delivers a noticeable upgrade for anyone chasing tighter, deeper bass without unwanted noise. It transmits low frequencies with impressive clarity, allowing subwoofers to produce a fuller, more cinematic rumble while keeping details clean and controlled. The split-tip center pin improves grip and contact stability, which translates into consistent signal strength and virtually no dropouts. Dual shielding does an excellent job rejecting interference, so even in crowded AV setups, there's minimal hum or static. Build quality feels premium. The aluminum shell, gold-plated oxygen-free copper connectors, and tin copper core resist oxidation and ensure long-term reliability. The flexible PVC jacket makes routing behind cabinets or racks easy without stressing the cable. Compatibility is broad across coaxial and RCA subwoofer outputs, making it a versatile choice for home theaters and hi-fi systems. Backed by a 24-month warranty, it's a dependable, high-value upgrade for cleaner, more immersive bass performance. Now number 4, Totten subwoofer cable. The Totten J-Series digital coaxial cable is built for listeners who care about precision and consistency in their audio chain. Its OCC conductor and true 75 ohm impedance ensure clean, low-loss SPDIF transmission, making Dolby and DTS track sound focused and articulate rather than smeared or compressed. After extended use, the cable reveals a notably balanced character. Deep, controlled bass, natural and full-bodied mids, and crisp highs that avoid harshness. Dual shielding with braided copper and aluminum foil effectively blocks EMI and RFI, keeping background noise and hum out of complex home theater or hi-fi setups. The solid, gold-plated RCA connectors grip firmly and maintain stable conductivity, while the thick nylon braided jacket adds durability without sacrificing flexibility. Small touches like the directional arrow and robust 7 mm build make installation easy and reliable. Overall, it's a well-engineered, audiophile-friendly upgrade for any serious digital coax connection. And our last choice is Garrett's Subwoofer Cable. This RCA cable impresses with its true plug-and-play versatility, pairing effortlessly with AV receivers, amplifiers, mixers, DJ gear, and even car audio systems. The standard RCA connectors fit snugly and securely, eliminating the loose connections that often introduce hum or signal loss. Audio performance is where it really stands out. Bass signals come through tight and defined, making it an excellent choice for subwoofers and low-frequency channels in home theater setups. The build quality feels premium, thanks to solid metal connectors and reinforced strain relief that withstand frequent plugging and cable routing. Advanced aluminum shielding does a great job rejecting RF and EM interference, resulting in a clean, noise-free signal even in electronics-heavy environments. Add in a lifetime replacement warranty and risk-free return period. And this cable offers both professional-grade sound and long-term peace of mind at a very reasonable investment. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.